Watch this video and learn how to draw 2 Valentine's love hearts. Ah.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. You're happy?
Yeah.
Me too.
What we draw today?
You want to know what we're going to draw?
Yeah.
We're going to draw 2 love hearts.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
I love you, Artie.
Yeah.
And you love all the little artists.
Artie loves.
Good day, Artie.
Hey there, Artie.
Are you ready to create some art?
Okay, let's get going, Artie. This is going to be fun.
I'm excited to see what Artie's going to create today.
So am I.
Let's start by drawing 2 eyes on the left middle portion of the paper. Draw a small oval with a little black dot in the middle. That's really good, Artie. Now let's draw a slightly smaller oval right next to the first one. And don't forget the little black dot in the middle. That's a great start. Now, let's draw another pair of eyes on the right portion of the paper. Another oval with a little black dot in the middle. And this time, let's draw the right eye at a slight angle so that it looks a little bit silly. Don't forget the black dot in the middle. It looks like we're in a dark room with 2 sets of eyes staring out at us. Let's draw a smiley curve shape underneath the first pair of eyes and another smiley curve shape below that. That's it. Add 2 little lines on the ends of the mouth. One on the left, one on the right. Now draw a squiggly line to signify the teeth, and the area underneath, shade it in completely black. Now let's draw a smiley mouth on the right side, underneath those eyes. You're going very quick, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now it's time to draw the heart shape on the left side of the page. A nice big curve on the left, coming up and back down. And then, from the end, another curve. Let's draw the right side. And then starting at the bottom, come all the way up and connect together. Now, Artie, let's draw the heart on the right side. Try and make it about the same size as the one you've already drawn and about the same shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as close as you can. It's already looking great.
I wonder what it's going to be.
I'm not sure yet.
Artie, let's add some little eyebrows above the eyes. Just a tiny little tear-shaped, drawn in black. One above the left eye, one above the right. And don't forget to do the same on the other heart. One above the left, and one above the right eye. I think it's time for some legs. Let's draw 2 straight lines coming down from the bottom of the left heart. And the right leg as well. Should we add shoes on the bottom? Okay, why not? Start with a little oval shape at the bottom of each leg. Now let's draw a funny little cartoon shoe on the end. Don't forget the toe.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Oh, I'm glad you feel like that, Betty Brush and Mikey Marker. We get so much joy from art as well, don't we, Artie?
Yeah.
Well, our left heart has nearly got 2 shoes. Just got to add the heel. Shape break. Okay, let's go and learn all about a shape.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to today's Shape Break. I'm Louie. I'm going to teach you today about this shape. Of course, you know what it's called. It's a heart shape. Oh, it's one of my favorite shapes there is. I really love it. Love. Heart. See what I did? No. Okay. Well, anyway, hearts have no sides. They're really very circular. There's a left side and usually pretty much identical right side, and that makes that lovely rounded heart shape. We see that shape in some fruits, like for example strawberries are sort of heart shaped. You see one up here, and peaches as well, there we go, and sometimes chocolates come in a heart shaped box because hearts are the symbol of love. That's right. You know, Artie the other day, he came up to me and he said, I love you, Louie, with all of my art. See, he said art, not heart, because he's an art. Okay. So what did the dinosaur say to his girlfriend? He said, you make my heart soar. It's hot, dinosaur, heart sore. Okay, one last one. What did the mushroom say to its girlfriend on Valentine's Day? He said, I have so much room for you in my heart. Mushroom. Okay, well, anyway, my favorite shape. I really love it. love heart, you see. I'll go.
That was a great shape break, Artie. We learned all about hearts. What a fantastic coincidence. Thank you, Louie. Okay, let's carry on and finish the drawing. Now it's time to give our right heart some legs also. First a left leg, and then, of course, a right leg. Should we draw 3 legs on this heart, Artie?
No, you're silly.
Yes, I'm probably a bit silly, but the great thing about art is you can do anything you want. We could give this heart, 7 legs if we wanted to.
No.
Okay, we'll just stick with the 2 legs.
Yeah.
Well, we've got 2 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of shoes. Let's draw the arms. 2 straight lines coming down from the side of the heart. Draw a little oval on the end. Then let's draw 4 little fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a hand. Let's draw the right arm on our left heart. Same thing, Artie. 2 straight lines, a little oval on the end, then 4 fingers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Now, because our hearts love each other, let's show them holding hands. So the heart on the right is going to have an arm, just like the other ones we drew, but this time we're going to show them holding hands. Isn't that adorable? Oh, Artie, you're missing an arm on the left heart. Oh, that's it. This couple of hearts look very in love. Artie, I had an idea. Why don't you draw something in that left hand? He has an idea. What are you going to draw, Artie? Oh, it's a straight line, okay. Oh, a circle. Is it a lollipop? Oh, I see. It's a flower. What a pretty flower that is, Artie. This is a very cute drawing, and to me it looks finished. What do you think, Artie? Is it complete, or do you need to add something else? It's finished. I thought so. Well, you've got quite a job at hand in colouring this in. 2 hearts. Let's see how you do.
It's time to color it in.
Finished. It looks wonderful, Artie. I love how you drew 1 heart red and 1 purple. Great job.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you draw some hearts at home. Well, for now, it's goodbye. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Bye, bye.